Hello everyone and welcome to another video with Mr. Math. Today we're talking about equation of the line given 2 points. Okay, we have these 2 points on this question and we need to form these 2 different equations of the line. Okay, so let's start. Number one thing that I would like to do here is to label my points. So my point A is -8, -5, and my point B will be -10, -11. Just for convention, I would like to say that on point A, this is x1 and y1. And point 2 or point B, this will be x2 and y2. All right, with this information, let's go ahead and calculate the slope. We know that the slope is equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. All right, y2 should be -11 minus y1 should be -5. Because it's minus -5, it becomes +5. x2 is -10 minus -8, so it will be +8. This will be -6 over -2. Therefore, my slope is equals to 3. All right, let's accommodate this information. Okay, for the first part, the point slope form, we need to just apply the formula. For point slope, we'll have y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. Right, on this case, this will be equals to y minus y1, which is -5, so it will be +5 equals to m times my value of x, so it's just x here, and x1 is -8, so it'll be +8. Now let's remember something here, that m we just found, that should be the value of 3. And that should be our point slope answer. Okay, then the next one is the slope-intercept form. For the slope-intercept form, we just need to isolate y from the step above. So we had y plus 5 equals to 3 times x plus 8. Our goal now is to just solve for y. So this will be y plus 5 equals to 3x plus 3 times 8 is 24. We'll subtract 5 on both sides. And we'll have y equals to 3x plus 19. And that should be our slope-intercept form. All right, thank you for watching, and I hope this video was helpful for you.